Hello, hello, and welcome to Notary Life with Kimmy and Notary Educators Training Team. I am here with Miss Stephanie G, one of my students that we just finished the Notarize Like a Pro course. And I just wanted to interview her to kind of see what she thought about the class, how she thinks it's going to help her in her business, and how she thinks it'll help you if you're thinking about taking the course. So, Miss Stephanie, how about a few words about who are you, if you don't mind? How did you learn about Notary, and what brought you to Notary Educators?
Hello. I learned through YouTube, watching you on YouTube. That's how I first learned about the business. And I've been watching you for about 2 years now and just trying to work my way into this business. At the time, I was working a 9 to 5, but now I'm free of that. So I'm now ready to learn. And I decided to come on board.
Oh, that is so great. So will you be doing the business full-time, part-time?
It'll be full-time. I believe I'll do it full-time.
Okay. Had you checked out other training courses? I didn't ask you that. I was just curious.
Yes, I've checked out a few other YouTubers, but I like yours the most.
Oh, great. Well, we do appreciate that.
Yeah.
We do appreciate that. How would you explain to someone that about the course today? Did you find it complicated, simple? What were your thoughts?
Oh, I love the course, and it just very validated. It's not that complicated. You made it so easy. And it's almost like I have to pinch myself because I'm like, something got to be wrong. It's it's really not that complicated. So you really made it, as you state on your book, your website, everything is really not that complicated. So I appreciate that piece.
Oh, it is our pleasure. And then how about being able to execute? Do you feel like you have more confidence and more competent to get the job done now as a notary, your duties?
I do. I'm so appreciative how I read your books and what's in the books. You just explained it just as it is in the book and stuff like that. So I really believe from this training that I've had today. Of course, I get to get my stamps and my embosser and all that good stuff. But when I get it, I think I'll be ready to go. I really will.
I think you will too. I really do, Miss Stephanie. Well, I appreciate all the feedback. Would you recommend someone else take the Notarize Like a Pro course?
Yes, ma'am. I will be spreading the word. As I market myself, I'm going to market you guys as well.
Oh, you are so sweet. Well, we certainly appreciate you taking a few minutes.
I am.
Yes, well, we thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with us. And again, we're with you, for at least the first 3 jobs. We really want to make sure that you're able to soar and fly out there, okay? So this is not one and done.
I believe I can do it with you guys' help, and the training is awesome, and I'm just so excited. I'm ready to go.
Well, thank you again, Miss Stephanie. I'm going to hit stop.
Okay.
And if you're thinking about taking the Notarize Like a Pro course yourself, please visit notaryeducatorsllc.com. It would be our pleasure to assist you.